The title of the poem is The Savior. From the darkness of nothingness, you brought me into the world of light and put me safe in my mother's lap, safer than the silky golden sandbank of the river of life. My eyes were riveted on her loving face, hers on the twinkling gems of my two eyes, her invaluable treasure. I could see the lovely ripples during the day, and the star-studded blue dome at night. In front lay the variegated world, throbbing with life. What breathtaking beauty bestowed on nature! What an infinite variety! The thought of the Creator flashed through my mind for a moment. But soon the human world, with the hurry and flurry, superimposed itself. It was fascinated by the whirlpool of human activities, children laughing and playing, the young singing and dancing and merrymaking, gay and carefree, without a thought for the morrow. It was thrilling. My spirit enkindled, and I jumped. The river became the river of oblivion. I forgot you and my own self in you. You, the fun-loving prankster Krishna, smiled, amused at my plight, for you only had planted the virus of temptation deep in my heart. I drowned myself neck deep in my endeavor to fulfill my multiplying desires and active my soaring worldly aspirations. But the road to reach these goals is not very easy, nor without hazards and pitfalls. I could see the perpetual interplay of opposites, where the negative forces seemed to dominate. The crocodiles of competition were about to swallow me whole. The sharks of envy were waiting to attack. The darts of sly, painful, prejudicial accusations of our own people were causing grave injuries. All my errors of omission and commission took agonizingly cognitive form. I became a river. I became a victim of my own illusions. In the depths of my soul, however, I knew that you would save me, that you would not desert me in crisis. The thought woke me from my spiritual stupor. I invoked you and you responded to my call. In your supreme mercy and love. You forgave all my trespasses and accepted my humble prayer. Keep faith, have hope. Help will reach from some quarter in some form. Thank you.